So at the time of joining Mastermind, the business was becoming a bit stale. We were wanting to grow and expand. I was also wanting to take a bit more pressure off myself as a company owner. I was finding myself getting very bogged down with dealing with all the tasks of a business, from day-to-day firefighting through to the marketing, through to the finance and everything else in between. And it got to the point where I couldn't continue with having a family, and I wanted to free up my own time to help further develop myself, but also grow the business at the same time. So in terms of revenue, we have grown the business approximately from about £750,000 turnover. Today, we're currently working on about £1.1 million turnover. The big benefit, though, is that everything within the system has become more efficient. Everything's been more streamlined. My time and my responsibilities have been delegated, which has really helped me concentrate on what I wanted to do, which was to grow and develop the business further. And the future plan is to continue trying to slightly improve turnover, but certainly improve gross and net profit targets. Certainly all my marketing has massively improved. We have rebranded over the last year. It's been everything from the website through to all our marketing material, through to all the branding of our vehicles, our staff uniform. Everything looks a lot more professional, a lot more uniform now. As well as that, I'm finding the staff performance is improving as well with the systems that we're starting to implement. It depends where you want to be in the future. My advice would be, if you do want to improve your business and to continue growing your business, it's worth joining the community, joining the professional coaches who can guide you to the right place and where you want to be. We found it absolutely invaluable for our business, and certainly, as I keep saying, the time management for myself and freeing up that personal time, which has been great.